Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book for Practice. Exercise number 129. Start. Gentlemen, as a consequence of your inconsistent conduct in the matter of your contract, we are compelled in self-defense to state that unless you can complete the order by the end of the month, the business must at once be transferred, as the delays which have occurred have placed us in considerable difficulties. Full stop. New para. At our interview in September, when you signified your willingness to undertake the contract, you were confident that you could deliver half the goods by the end of October and the balance by the 1st of December. Full stop. New para. These conditions were not complied with so far as the first part of the agreement was concerned, and on our complaining about the unnecessary delay, you stated that the whole would be delivered by December. Full stop. It is now the 14th, and in the interval we have communicated with you on several occasions without the desired result. Full stop. We have come to the conclusion that future contracts should be placed with one of your competitors. Full stop. The significance of this should not be lost upon you, and it will be to your advantage to fulfill your obligations without further delay. Full stop. Yours truly,